if we are given something in grams and we want to know how many atoms there are, we're doing one of those electrical engineering problems, and we need to know how many atoms are in a certain mass of copper. How much electricity can this conduct? So let's say we're given 79.0 grams of copper. I want to know how many atoms of copper that is, because I want to know how much current this can conduct. We're going from grams all the way to atoms now. We have to go through moles. And that's why I put this GMA illustration up there. If you're converting from grams to atoms or atoms to grams, you have to go through moles. You cannot go directly from grams to atoms or atoms to grams. These will be two-step conversions because you always have to go through moles. So, what's going to go in the first box of our factor label? The given. 79.0 grams of copper. Okay, what units, what chemical will go down here to cancel? Anybody? Grams of copper. Since we know we have to go through moles, what units, what chemical are going to go up here? Moles of copper. This insight. Is there a relationship between moles and grams? Yes. And that's given by the molar mass. So look to the periodic table, find the molar mass of copper. 63.55 grams in 1 mole of copper. So 1 mole of copper is equal to 63.55 grams. Okay, what units and what chemical down here to cancel? Moles of copper. And we know that's got a 1 in front of it because thou shalt not put any number but 1 in front of moles unless it's a given. And what units and chemical do we want to end up in?
Copper.
Atoms of copper. Okay. How many atoms in 1 mole? 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Okay, do your math. Don't even have to move the decimal. That's nice. We like those. 7.486042486 times 10 to the 23rd. Is that what you got? Wunderbar. Now, how many sig figs can we have? Hold up fingers. 3. Some of you are still a little bit uncertain. I see hedging. 3. Which means we're going to keep this number, round it based on that. What's our final answer? 7.49 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of copper. Okay. Do you want to do an atoms to grams problem, or do you want me to cut you loose now and let you practice? There are atoms to grams and grams to atoms in the homework. Go ahead and cut loose? Okay. So you can start working. I will call you up one by one.